Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use conditional formatting by top-bottom rules in Excel. So, to use this, first of all, select the data and then go in conditional formatting, and here you can see top-bottom rules. And there are different options available: top 10 items or top 10%, bottom 10 items. Suppose I am selecting top 10 items, and here if you will click this drop down, and you can see different options are available. Say I am selecting green filled with dark green text. Click on OK, and now you can see the top 10 items are converted and formatted as green text and light green fill color. So this is how you can use conditional formatting by top-bottom rules in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.